Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. It is March the 1st. We made it. It's a new month. We have this time Amazon unboxing to do. See a little box right there. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We got another snowstorm ahead of us. Should be a nice one. Time to hibernate again. But we have to show you guys. Who's it by? Who is it by? Oh, we got Verlife. This is the mini smart socket. Works with the Amazon Alexa, the Echo Dot, all that good stuff. Google Assistant.
Allows you to talk to me in more rooms in your home. It
See?
includes a built-in speaker, but you can also connect to
She's already talking.
using Bluetooth or line out.
I don't know what she's saying though. But this is the Wi-Fi. Comes with the app. But like I said, you could just program it to your Echo. Pretty simple to use. Really comes in handy, I tell you. I got the other ones and definitely quite impressed with these. They work great. And this is a two-pack special they got going on. Here's what they look like. The Verlife. You guys plug it in. I'm going to do a demo in a second. Just going to plug one in and set it up on my other phone. I got to download the app. But I think I'm just going to program it to the Alexa and make it easier. It's really simple, like I said. Just give me 1 second and I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is. Nicely installed. The Verlife smart plug. And now we got the Alexa app. I called it Spare Bedroom. And all you gotta do, Alexa, turn on spare bedroom light.
I'm not quite sure what went wrong.
Uh-oh. Alexa, turn on spare bedroom light. There we go. Boom. We got magic. Because that's really easy to set up and install. Especially take advantage of Amazon Prime. Get it fast shipping. And get it really fast. And definitely really useful. Kids' rooms. Pretty much electronics. And yeah, see, I got mine. Bedroom, family room, spare bedroom. And I'm going to add the other one somewhere. I just got to find another spot for it. But really cool. And definitely useful. So, like I said, get them at a low cost right now. All you got to do is click on the link down below and pick one up today. You guys be safe. And have a good one. See ya.